In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm. What heights of love, what depths of peace, when fears are still, when striving cease. My comforter, my all in all, here in the love I am. In Christ alone, who took on flesh, fullness of God in endless faith, this gift of love and righteousness, scorned by the ones He came to save. Till on that cross that Jesus died, the wrath of God was satisfied. For every sin on Him was laid. Here in the death of Christ I live. There in the ground His body lay, light of the world by darkness slain. Then mercy
To the engagement ceremony of Anne Mary and Praveen Peter. My name is Kavya and tonight I will be the master of your ceremonies. We have an exciting event ahead filled with great food, drinks and music. But first, let me go over a few housekeeping rules. Now, let's move on to the festives. Our first order of business is to introduce the engagement party. I welcome Anne Mary and Praveen to lead the way to the stage. Mr. Peter and Ms. Sushila. Also, the bride's parents, Mr. Patros and Ms. Mary Joseph. Alex and brother Ranju Alex.
ഇവരിന്ന് കൈമാറുന്ന പരസ്പര സമ്മതം ജീവിതത്തിലുടനീളം നേടുന്ന ഒരു കുടുംബ ബന്ധമായി വളരുവാൻ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കണമേ. ഇവിടെ പരസ്പര സമ്മതത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രതീകമായി ഇവരിന്ന് കൈമാറുന്ന വളകളെയും മാലയും അങ്ങ് ആശീർവദിച്ച് ധന്യമാക്കണമേ. ഈ കൂട്ടായ്മയെ അങ്ങ് അനുഗ്രഹിച്ച് ആശീർവദിക്കണം.
Is hand over bride's brother Ronnie. The groom's sisters Sony.
പിതാവും പുത്രനും പരിശുദ്ധാത്മാവും നിങ്ങളെ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ.
Let's make our way to the cake table. To be kind to each other.
കനവാകെ ചിന്നി മേളം മഴമേളം കൊട്ടി പാട്ടി കൈതാളം തട്ടി വന്നല്ലോ നിൻ കല്യാണം നേരെ മുകിലോല പന്തൽ താഴെ കുടമുല്ല പന്തൽ നിന്നിൽ കളിയാടും ഈ അള്ളിപ്പൂവിന് കല്യാണം
ഫുഡ് കഴിക്കാൻ പോയതായാലും പുറത്തു കൊണ്ടുപോയത് ആദ്യം ആരാണ്? മോർ അഫെക്ഷനേറ്റ് ഇൻ പബ്ലിക്. സ്നേഹം കൂടുതൽ ആരാണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്? അഡ്വഞ്ചർ ഓർ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി?
Jom.
അറിയത്തില്ല.
సరసన చేరే వాస్తుగా పెంచానిట్ట 100 కోట్ల సొగసిరి ఆస్తిగా అల్లేసుకో కొసరే కొసరే చేయరా ముద్దుల దాడి ఇష్టమేని సందడి ముట్టడించి ముట్టేసుకోలేవా ఓసారి చేజారే ఏ బంగారు నక్లేసు నా ఒంటికి నచ్చట్లే నీ కౌగిలితో నన్ను సింగారించురా ఏ వెన్నెల జోలాలి నన్ను నెత్తరు పుచ్చట్లే నా తిప్పలో కొంచెం ఆలోచించు ఎందుకు పుట్టిందో పుట్టింది ఏమో నువ్వంటే ముచ్చట పుట్టింది పుడతాని నీ పిచ్చి పట్టింది నీ పేరు పెట్టింది వయ్యారం ఓడి కట్టింది గోరింట పెట్టింది సామికి ముక్కులు కట్టింది చుట్టమల్లే చుట్టేస్తాంది ఆ చుట్టేస్తాంది చుట్టమల్లే చుట్టేస్తాంది రరరే చుట్టమల్లే చుట్టేస్తాంది తుంటరి చూపు ఊరికే ఉండదు కాసేపు നാണം മൂടും കണ്ണും നിഴുതാനാരും കാണാ കാർമുകിലിൻ മഷി വേണം എള്ളോളം നുള്ളിയെടുത്തോട്ടേ ഞാൻ മാറോളം മുങ്ങി നിവർന്നോട്ടേ ഉം